I'm Phuc Truong, CEO and co-founder of Phuc Labs. I'm here to present to you machine vision particle sorting. Modern life depends on industrial processes to sort particles out of water, and it's becoming more and more vital that we recover and reuse these precious materials, both in solids and in liquids. To achieve separation, even the most advanced techniques are still analog and have not changed much in decades. Membranes, gravity filters, and aeration all consume large amounts of energy and require labor-intensive maintenance. For example, drinking and waste treatment systems account for more than 4% of the energy used globally, and the search for more innovative solutions is becoming a global priority. At Phuc Labs, we use robotics to automate the process of identifying, separating, and reclaiming particles from water. We use the latest innovations from machine vision to identify particles in a stream of water, much like different types of packages moving along a conveyor belt in a warehouse. And we use hardware to slice the water and divert it to various destinations, one for water and others for other different types of particles. We can quickly identify particles using imaging sensors, spectral response, and other sensing technologies, and the sorting system can be easily added to existing operations and typically uses 1/3 the energy of filter-based systems because we're not constantly forcing water through membranes. With the ability to continuously and cost-effectively identify and separate particles from a stream, we can not only enhance many filtering applications, but we can do things that filters cannot, and this opens entirely new markets and opportunities for us. However, we're focused on battery recycling as our initial beachhead because it's a compelling business case that we can uniquely solve. Currently, all battery recyclers process the black mass or the cathode and anode materials, and what's left over are copper and aluminum metal components, which are blended and sold as low-grade copper. Our technology can differentiate between the silver in the aluminum and the brown in the copper and uniquely sort these metals. And by doing so, we can create a new aluminum revenue stream and increase the yield for more concentrated copper. And altogether, we can improve their top-line revenue by 50%. In the span of 10 months, we've developed 5 versions of our system. And with these progressions, we've exceeded the separation performance of existing systems and filed patents with more to come. And more importantly, over the last few months, we've captured the imagination of the market by securing letters of intent from major leaders in their respective sectors. North America's largest battery recycler, Retrieve Battery Recycling, Light Rail Manila Corp, which manages all Manila's light rail systems, where we're reclaiming oil from their waste stream. And we also have mining projects where our technology can reduce costs and GHG emissions. We improve recovery and reduce environmental impact. And the sales processes in these traditionally long sales cycle spaces have been truncated because of our concept's novel approach and impactfulness. For battery recycling, the total addressable market is estimated to grow to $23 billion by the year 2025 and grow at the rate of 32%, driven primarily because of the growth of the EV market. And the smart mining market is $10 billion and projected to grow to $24 billion by the year 2026 and grow at 20%, driven primarily because of the industry's need for information and autonomy-based solutions, which perfectly align with our technology. For industrial waste treatment systems, the goal is to reclaim our client's valuable particles for reuse. And that's what we're doing for Light Rail Manila Corp and Evoqua. Our competition consists of decades-old separation technologies such as flotation tanks, filters, membranes, and manual cleaning and testing, all ripe for disruption and overdue for digitization. However, it's not an us versus them binary decision. Our technology can enhance and complement existing technologies such as being pre-treatment for membrane filtration, and we can separate the particles that often clog these membranes, thus reducing consumables, operational expenses, and extending lifetimes. Our team consists of startup veterans with current successes in past ingenuity. Our chief scientist and head of hardware developed some of the key technologies implemented by Kiva Systems, which was purchased by Amazon and has since become core to Amazon's warehouse automation. Our hardware team consists of mechanical engineers from Desktop Metal. Our head of business has been part of multiple startup exits, and with the most recent being Uber acquiring Drizzly. And I've led the software innovation teams for 4 companies, with the latest being Clinical Research.io, among the leaders in e-source for clinical trials. We're raising $3 million for our seed round with an appetite for more, and soft circle 40% of the round so far. And we want to achieve the following milestones in the next 24 months. 1, successfully expand and scale our pilots and our customers. 2, accelerate our technical development by hiring software and hardware engineers. And finally, commercialize our technology and create licensing revenue and increase our IP portfolio by filing more patents. Phuc Labs enables particle sorting in the same way that Amazon created and redesigned the warehouse automation market. And as such, our technology can reclaim valued resources with cost-efficient precision and can be applied to any industry that particles are flowing in fluids. My name is Phuc. I'm the co-founder of Phuc at phuclabs.com, and that's my contact, Phuc at phuclabs.com. Thank you for your help and your time.